Okay, so let's just wait for Ren, Seth.
Ren
Seth na lang, tapos si Dan. But I think in a few minutes we could start without them and habol na lang sila, no?
You know what I think it is? I think they're having their date night kaya late sila.
Oh yeah, that's
Hey,
true.
don't say that. I don't like that.
That's
Ayoko
true.
dyan. Ayoko dyan.
Not
Hindi
date, not
pwede.
date.
Hindi pwede.
Hang out.
Yeah. Kami lang talaga ni Ren pod.
Sorry, Moo. I think you gotta go.
Okay, fine.
You gotta go.
Try your luck in like
Para
GSOT
kanina
or
lang ba?
in another series or something.
Yeah.
Ay, may kamusta yung event mo kanina?
Oy, thank you, Kyosu. Grabe, ang thoughtful mo talaga, no?
Congrats.
Maganda. Ano, madaming tanong, madaming tanong.
Magandang what?
Magandang katabi?
Magandang
Amy girl!
Yay! There we go!
Amy girl!
Paano to?
Pwede
Oh
pakita
my
na ng
God!
napakaganda
Hindi
mong
ako
mukha.
marunong.
You're so
Alam nyo ba? Wait. Nasa Zoom ako kanina pa. Tapos nagtataka ako, hindi ako makapasok. Dapat pala dito.
On cam. Move.
Ay,
Nakikita
bawal
nyo
po
na ba
off-cam.
ako?
Bawal
Wait
off cam
lang.
dito.
Paano ba to? Shock.
on cam, Amy!
Si Dan,
Paano i-on yung cam? Wait. Oh no. Ayun. Oh my God.
Na! Andiyan si Dan. Okay, si Joseph na lang. Saan na yung mga pinabahay natin?
Andyan na si Backhog.
Okay, si Backhog.
Oh,
Si
si
Group
Wakwa.
Hug.
Hello.
Wait, Kyosu.
Hello, ginawa mo.
Nandito na.
Si
Akala
Louie
ko talaga
Perkins.
sa Zoom yung live. Hi guys.
Hello, guys. Okay.
Dito na si
Habang
Wakwak.
iniintay niyo
Ako
ako
na-accept kanina.
Kambal
paano
mo
kung
naman.
mag-introduction na muna tayo? Diba? Alright,
Yeah, that would be a
hello
good
guys.
idea.
Focus on to everyone watching. This is the cast of My Husband is a Mafia Boss. Let's give a round of applause!
Hi, what's up guys?
Alright, I think we
Wait,
should
hold
start
on,
with our-
Jaime. I was thinking, do you think we should wait for the mafia boss himself?
Tama.
Yeah.
We're kind of in a time crunch, but okay. Sure.
We're just
Wait, does he know how to join?
Yeah, we're actually in a time crunch.
Tinuruan
but, sure.
But does he know how to join, guys? That's the question.
Ako first time ko din mag-live. So,
Oh no.
He's gonna have some assistance.
Paturo kayo kay Jaime. Paano mag-live?
Ay, okay, mag-alala. Hindi,
Nasa yung speaker mo, Alianza. Don't
wala yung
don't
mga
even.
commenters ko dito.
Not now.
Alright, anyway, Ren Escanio, would you like to say a little something about yourself and who are you playing in this show?
oh, I love it. Ikaw, who's the host? I love it. Yes. Hi everybody. I'm Ren Ascanio po and thank you so much sa lahat ng mga nandito tonight. Wow, ilan ba tayo? In fairness, ang dami nanonood ah.
Yes!
Hello.
Yes.
And,
Ilan na ba?
yeah, pasensya na. Hindi ko alam kung paano kanina, so medyo na-late.
It's okay, don't worry. We'll wait for you no matter what. So, sino nga ba yung character na piniplay mo sa Mafia Boss?
Oh, yeah. Of course, I'm playing Amy Romero, ang inyong wifey, and wala, isang simpleng babae nag-aaral sa Stonehurst University. At, yun. Sorry. Lutang na lutang ako. Wait
Huwag ka na mag-sorry, Ren. Okay lang yan. Kasi pati sa ilang yung batang. Pero syempre, kapag may Amy, may Amisel din. So, sino nga ba si Amisel?
Si Amisel ay pinsan ako ni Amy.
Ay, ikaw si Amisel! Oh, magpakilala ka naman!
Oh yes. Hi everyone. Yes, I'm Amisel, Sarah Jo. Thank you for the clap, Aliyah.
At syempre, pag may Amisel, dapat may Kaiser Lamperouge din. So, sino nga ba si Kaiser Lamperouge? I think this is the man himself.
Actually, you know what? I checked the after the end credits ng episode 2. Di ko mag-gets kung bakit nakalagay next to my name pinaka-pogi. Parang Kaiser dapat yun eh. Pero anyways, ayun ba yung nakalagay eh. So, si Kaiser po ang pinaka-pogi. I mean, at least according to the end credits. Right-hand man ni Ezekiel. And
Sige na nga, pagbigyan na natin guys.
Ayan,
Wala yung kalaban eh. Wala yung kalaban.
Parang wala ata ako nakitang ganun sa credit.
Meron.
Sige, check niyo kung totoo.
Meron yan.
Parang ikaw lang nakakaalam nun. Hindi namin alam nun.
Sandali lang guys, pero balita ko, si Kaiser kasi may ex-girlfriend yan.
Meron.
Diba? So, sino nga ba yung ex-girlfriend ni
yeah.
Kaiser Lamperouge? Do you want to introduce yourself?
Wait, what's happening? What's happening?
Alia Coco, introduce yourself. Who are you?
Yes. Hi, everyone. I'm Shan Venice Birkins, and of course, best friends ni with Amy Girl. And syempre, kapag may Shan Venice Birkins, there's a Louis Birkins, and that is...
Ang bilis mo naman.
Time crunch, right?
Wait, everybody. Someone commented they can't understand Tagalog. So Dan Aquino, you have to introduce yourself in English.
English only.
Let's go,
Patay
let's
tayo
go.
dyan.
Dan
Patay tayo
Aquino.
dyan. So, let's go.
No, we're dead there. We're dead there.
Hey guys,
We're dead now.
may
Ano si
mga,
si Joseph
Guys, wait, can we do a real quick pause?
may mga nagsasabi na he can't join. I mean, hindi daw siya
I'm working on
makapasok.
it.
See?
Papasukan niyo siya, please.
Hindi ko siya makita. Yan. Nakita ko na yung comment niya. Hold on. Can't join.
If I remember correctly, you have to go live.
Hindi eh.
Hindi
no,
naman.
you
Hindi
don't
naman.
have
to.
Ang bilis naman nawawala yung comment ni
Guest
Joseph
touch.
Marco.
Shinare niyo ba to? Di ba may ganun?
Hindi ko siya mahabol. You can
Guys,
repost.
don't comment. Let Joseph comment.
Don't come.
Yeah, let Joseph comment first so that we can invite him.
Guys, pause the comments so we can invite the mafia boss himself.
Okay, well that's him. Okay, no.
Saan? Nasaan?
That's not him.
Invitation sent.
Uy, baka
Let's
ibang
make
Joseph
sure
yung
we're
mapapasok
inviting the right
natin.
Joseph Marco.
Invitation sent.
Baka ibang
I
Joseph
invited
yun.
him na.
That's not him.
Okay, while we're waiting, Dan Aquino, do you want to continue your introduction?
Okay, I am Dan Aquino playing the role of Louis Birkins. I'm twins of Aliyah Birkins. Ay, Aliyah. Ulit. Aliyah Birkins. Aliyah Birkins. Aliyah Birkins.
Okay, thank you,
Okay.
thank you.
At syempre si Louis Birkins may tropa yan sa Stonehurst, di ba? So, sino nga ba yung tropa niyang si Kevin?
Gagawa ko.
Hello guys, my name is Kevin Alvarez, one of friends of Amy Romero sa Stonehurst University. And meron akong friend na mahal si Amy, which is introduce
Ako na
yourself.
ba yun?
Yeah.
Ako na ba yun, guys? Oh my God, it's me, Nico Jace Young!
Ang taas! I love it!
I would gladly do that, Kaiser. Thank you.
Kunyari, you're speaking to the audience. The audience is Amy. First time kayo mag-meet. How would you introduce yourself?
Sige nga.
Oh. Alam mo naman, ayoko na lumilipas yung oras na di ka kumakain eh. Ano, kain na tayo, no? Ano gusto mo,
Ako ba?
spaghetti?
Ako ba yung kausap niya? Hi, Moo.
Hi, Mo! Hi, Mo!
Hindi, kasi nagbabasa ako ng... Sorry. I miss
Anyway,
you,
guys.
Moo. Nagbabasa kasi ako ng comment. Sabi nila hindi makapasok si Joseph.
Also, I saw Joseph comment. It's the one with zeros as O's.
Yeah.
Also,
Yeah.
other comments.
Magkasama na kayo,
That's
Red.
it.
What comments did you see?
I don't know. I was seeing this, ano ba yan? May nabasa akong comment.
Invite ko na siya. Hindi.
Ano nga yun?
Mamaya, when I see it again.
Sige.
Yan, let me in.
May,
Ito na.
may nag-comment daw, Sarah Jo, touch your hair if you love...
Oh, ito, hi B. What's that? What does that mean?
Look at Aliyah.
Look at Aliyah! Look at Aliyah! Look at Aliyah!
Why? Ali always looks like that.
Oo nga, no? Wait!
Oh, is this the Sarah Jo, ano? Without makeup.
Oo nga. Sarah Jo without makeup.
Old face.
Guys, nakamit ko na ang aking matagal ng pinapangarap. Isa na akong banana.
Paano magganyan?
Ay, tama. Unggoy ako. Ito siya yung banana. See? It makes sense. It makes
Oo
sense.
nga, siya yung unggoy tapos ikaw yung banana.
Hindi ko-
Grabe.
hindi ko
ang landi,
kaluluwa na.
Ang landi. Ang landi. Yoso, ang landi ng mga to, no?
Ano yung, bro, ano yung comment na yan? Hindi ko mag-get.
Yung ano ba? Anong comment?
Hindi ko siya makita sa requests.
Guys,
Hold on.
tulungan natin si Kuya Joseph.
Yeah.
Huwag muna kayo
Baka,
mag-comment.
alam nyo, ay,
Baka hindi pa siya pwede mag-live.
sa Zoom
Hindi
din
naman
siya.
kailangan ng live eh.
Kailangan, ako ang ginawa ko is, pinindot ko lang dito yung joy. Eh, ano ba yun? Invite something.
Hindi kasi tayo makapag-invite eh.
Sorry naman sa mga
Aliyah.
hindi marunong mag-live.
Aliyah, you're so
Sorry, nasa beach ako.
puppy.
Tara, you look so kawaii right now. Hey, Sarah.
What's up? What's good? What's good?
Hey, call me.
Oh my God, Kyosu looks smashing.
Oh my God,
Oh
Kyosu.
my gosh. I
You know
think
what,
like
guys?
this is
While
the
we're
best
all
you've ever
waiting
looked.
for Joseph Marco, can I remind everyone, hello mga kabida stream, my husband is a mafia boss only on Viva 1.
Yes.
Legally no to piracy. Kasi ano bang mangyayari pag nag-piracy tayo?
Guys, if we hit 200k likes, tsaka lang magjo-join si Mafia Boss.
Oo nga, 200.
Ilan na ba? Oh, 162.
Paabutin natin ng 200 likes.
Mga 200k likes na tayo.
Itap nyo
One,
guys.
1
Itap,
million
itap.
likes, crush reveal daw si Frost Sandoval.
Oh.
Pero start ko lang yung tab.
Dan, sinong kasama mo?
There you go.
The boss in the house.
Love you, boss.
Oh my gosh.
Finally.
Yes!
The myth. The legend.
Join, man. What the heck?
What
What the heck?
Don't worry, Joseph. Kasalanan niya ng TikTok. Wala kang mali.
Exactly.
Pinakamali.
If you're here, would you like to introduce yourself?
Huh?
Would you like to introduce yourself?
We can't hear you.
Audio issue.
Audio check, audio check.
Audio, is audio.
Yeah.
I think Mr. Ezekiel Ross was gonna fire the CEO.
Oh God, wala kami marinig.
You guys hear me? Check. Hello?
Check.
Yeah.
Kailangan malapit.
You guys hear me?
Yes, yes, yes.
That's perfect. You just do the whole live like
Yeah,
that.
yeah, we can hear you.
What's up?
Joseph, you're perfect.
Okay, what's up, guys? This is Jose Marco, and I played the role of Zeke. And yeah, so nice to be here. What it do?
What it do, fly?
What's good? What's good?
What it do, baby?
Balita.
All right,
What
Joseph,
it
it's
is, yeah.
great to have you
What's
here. And then
up?
I think with that,
Ang daming
you
nangyayari.
were at the NFT fan takeover. How was it?
Ha? Ba't ako? Bakit ako?
Nandun ka, di ba?
No, actually, this is a group question.
This is
but
a
we'll start
group.
with you.
Yeah, this is yeah.
Oh.
It's been fun. Grabe yung suporta ng mga fans. And nakaka-overwhelm talaga. Mas lalong nakakagana kasi dun mo mararamdaman yung suporta nila hindi lang sa isang show, kumbaga sa lahat ng Viva One shows. Sinusuportahan nila lahat ng Wattpad stories. And yeah, very thankful na, na naging part tayo ng NFT concert.
That's right. Grabe nga din yung sayaw nyo ni Ren Escanio. Ikaw ba, Ren? Paano yung experience mo?
Sayaw?
Yung sayaw nyo, tas kanta.
Oh yeah.
Diba? Kamusta?
First time ko kasi yun. So, actually, medyo nangapa pa ako kung paano, ganyan, kung paano yung magiging flow no concert. Pero ganun pala yun, ang saya. Kasi paglabas mo ng stage, sobrang daming tao pala talaga. So, yeah, first time ko din actually mag-perform sa harap ng maraming tao. Like, sumayaw, kumanta, ganyan. So, yun, masaya. Masaya, na-enjoy ko siya. And, excited ako sa repeat. Kasi, di ba, may repeat.
Exactly, yung repeat,
Yeah.
repeat, yung repeat. Pwede. Anyway, does anyone else from the cast want to answer that question? How was the NFT for you guys? Pros.
Aliyah has her hands up.
Oh, Aliyah.
Aliyah has her hands up.
Yan.
Okay, like for me, like it was so nice and so overwhelming talaga kasi it was like my first ever experience like sa NFT concert. So yeah, I'm super happy. I was so overwhelmed talaga, lalo na yung sound ng crowd. Like, it's so loud, you know? Like, I was vibrating backstage. It was
You were vibrating.
Yes! The
Chill with that.
screams,
Chill with that.
the screams were like,
Yeah.
Yeah, for sure, for
it was
sure.
really good. Very happy. Who's next? Who would like to answer their experience at the NFT concert? How about you, Dan? My Kambal.
Kambal, tama, Kambal.
How about you, Frost?
Ano to?
Hindi, dapat may ka, sabihin ka, Dan, kasi first time mo maka-experience.
First time mo mag-NFT.
Oh, yeah.
First time mag-NFT.
Nag-NFT na ako.
Kailan?
Wow! Oo nga pala.
Ay, oo nga pala.
Oo nga pala. Sige, sino
Yabang
ba
mo
first time?
naman.
Oh, bad,
Ay, ako first time ko.
Okay, ikaw na, ikaw.
Ay, Jaime. Sige, Jaime.
Sobrang
Ako
saya,
kasi,
promise.
guys, nung NFT na yun, I really gave a lot of energy. Tapos grabe yung support na nakita ko sa mga nagme-message sa akin sa Instagram saying, grabe yung energy ko talaga yung nagpasaya sa kanila. So I'm super blessed and super thankful to everyone who was there. Thank you guys for coming, and we're looking forward to see you guys on the next NFT on June 6.
Ang formally high, hindi ako sanay.
Anyway, moving on.
Okay, do we
Moving
have?
on.
I'm sure we have more questions, but as well, Jaime, I feel like there are things that you need to remind the people watching right now.
Hello, Kapita Stream. My husband is a mafia boss only on Viva One. Stream legally.
Stream
Oo nga.
legally, everyone. Stream legally. If you want a season 2, you have to stream
Since we're
legally.
streaming legally, and I assume everyone here streams legally. How was the pilot episode and episode 2 for you guys?
Guys, picture muna kayo before you answer the question.
Wait.
Remove all the filter. Alright. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, and 3. Jaime, thank you.
All right.
Yeah, they said to remove the filters.
I think Frost should answer this question since he arrived in episode 2. How was it, man?
Ang
Well,
ganda
start
ng
with the-
entrance.
start with the
Uy, ang
pilot
ganda ng
episode.
entrance niya doon, no? Diba? Agree.
Yeah. Really good shot. Really good. Yeah, everything. We were all there when we watched the pilot episode. I feel like episode 2 was even funnier. Kasi
Yeah.
sobrang, parang I remember talking to Jaime about this, parang,
Yung mukha ni Dan.
Feel ko kailangan mo na magpabank, Dan.
parang ng mga K-drama.
Oh my gosh, kasama pala natin si Alice Perez.
Anyway, like you said, it's like a K-drama.
Yeah, it's like a parody of a K-drama.
Does anyone else agree?
Yeah.
Yeah.
We also agree. Okay, what do you have to say about the pilot episode and episode 2?
Ako, nakatawa yung episode 1, pero mas natawa ako sa episode 2.
Bakit?
Me
Bakit?
too.
Lalo na yung sa K-drama effect na, yung,
yung sa mga...
yeah, yung may flower petals na,
Iconic yan, iconic yan.
Iconic.
grabe yun.
Yung ni... Say it nga.
Wala actually sa book yun. Pero dinagdag ni Direct Fifth. And
Anyone should talk
I
about
wanna
that
say
scene. I think it
something.
should be Joseph.
Wait, I want to say something.
What's up, Sarah?
I want to say something. So there's this one line in the script where I was like so confused. Like, sabi ko, is this supposed to be funny? Like, I didn't get the context because like it was like, anong gusto niyo? Samgyeopsal, fried chicken.
Oh.
Then na yan.
yeah, same.
Tapos, I saw an edit on TikTok that it was a reference to like Drag Race.
Ow!
Oh my gosh, I'm not like that. What's it called? Chronically online para magets yung reference, but it was so funny seeing it like side by side.
But Aliyah is.
Gets. Kasi si Direct, alam ko director
Drag
din siya ng
Race.
Drag Race Philippines.
Yeah.
Ooh, that's why.
Anyway, we were
Fun
talking
fact.
about the flower petal scene. So how was that for you, Ren and Joseph? I was actually in that scene. It took like
Yeah. Actually, ilang oras din namin tinake yun, ah.
Ayos yun, ha?
Kasi, ilang oras namin tinake yun, nang ilang oras din si Jaime nag-aantay dun sa gate. So, ayun, madaming shots, pero sobrang na-enjoy ko. Kasi nagulat din ako na may ganon. Nauna, hindi ko magets. Akala ko, yung mga kuya na nasa ladder, may inaayos sila. Yun pala, part pala talaga sila ng eksena. Sabi ko, ano to? Anong episode to? Wala akong maalala na may ganon. So, inad lang pala ni Direk and sobrang nag-work siya and sobrang cute. So, yeah.
Right, Joseph, what do you have to say about that 3-hour-long scene?
Alam mo, the more na pinapanood ko
Oh my
yung
God.
Mafia Boss, mas nagiging fan ako yun.
Oh my God, guys.
The more I watch the Mafia Boss, mas naging fan ako ni Direk Fifth. Napakagaling ng execution niya. Tsaka yung bagay na bagay siya dito sa project na to. And so, yeah, just very thankful because I really feel safe na, you know, alam natin lahat, we're in good hands. Na kahit na magpanik ka sa eksena na you think pag nakita mo sa script, it's gonna be, oh, this is gonna be hard. How am I gonna pull this off? Knowing that Direct Fifth is directing it, parang I really feel safe. That's why. Yeah, it's that scene, sobrang na-entertain ako sa scene na yun. Kasi ang dami rin nag-tag sa akin. Daming nagsasabi na nakakatuwa yung eksena na yun. So it really made a huge impact. And also, gusto ko rin i-comment, shout out to Frostman, dude. That entrance,
Yeah.
powerful.
Salamat, boss. Salamat
It's a
talaga.
breath of
Thank
fresh
you.
air. You know, kasi
Salamat, boss.
mas kung ka-eksena si Amy and, you know, na naka-eksena kita doon, knowing na kababata kita, you're like my best friend, you're like my right hand. It's so refreshing. Kaya, dude, I love our tandem. So, looking forward sa upcoming scenes natin.
Yes, sir. More to come. More to
Yeah.
come.
That's very heartwarming. Anyway, I was in that scene as well, and it took 3 hours, and I was there for 5 seconds. So, that's how much work we really put into the craft. And I think Direct Fifth really has a lot of weight on the success of Mafia Boss. So, what do we all feel about the success? Like, what were your reactions? Like, did you expect the success, or is this like a surprise to you guys?
Parang ako, ayoko muna isipin na, well,
Like a kid.
Parang-
Drama actor din.
ako parang personally, parang hindi ko siya pamasabi na as in success. But, parang, ako personally, tutuwa ako na maganda talaga yung pagtanggap ng mga tao sa episode 1 and 2. Pero, hindi ko pa siya masabi na as in 100% successful kasi sobrang dami pa nating kailangan mapatunayan. Anong ginagawa mo? And marami pa tayong kailangan na, yun nga, mapakita talaga sa audience and para masabi na successful yung show. So, yun. Sa ngayon, parang parang chill lang, ganyan, and hindi ko muna masyadong ina-absorb na, okay, it's a success. Parang, yeah, parang nakakatuwa. Nakakatuwa kung paano nila tinanggap yung episode 1 and 2.
Yeah.
Diba?
Yes.
Yeah.
Is this anyone's first project?
You.
I see.
Oh, wait, no.
This ask this. Is this anyone's first comedy?
Yeah.
Dan,
Yeah.
is this your first comedy?
Talk to us about it.
Talk about the success and how do you feel about Mafia Boss?
Nung una, naninibago ako, pero habang tumatagal, masaya talaga. Pati sa set nga, tawang-tawa ako eh. Walang scene na hindi nakakatawa, actually, kahit sa set pa lang. Do you agree, guys?
Yeah, that's true.
Yes. Ikaw, Kyosu, kumusta?
I'm good.
Yun yung
Masaya.
reaction mo sa Mafia Boss. Good.
Masaya.
Ang swabe ni Kyosu sa episode 2, no?
Super.
Swabe din ano.
Ulitin nga yung quizzing scene.
Yung alin?
Ano?
Oh,
Ay, joke lang.
Yung group
Alam
hug,
niyo
Dan.
daw, pinanood ko ulit, dun ko lang nga na-realize yung pinag-uusapan natin last time. Yung ginawa ni Dan. Basta, alam niyo na yun.
Guys, if you guys want to know context. Wala.
Alam niyo, feeling ko pag ganito dapat nag-change topic na tayo. Uy, thank you guys.
Uy, pero ang cute. Cute yun.
So can I ask you guys one small favor? If you were to describe your character in 3 words, ano yun? Let's start with Joseph. 3 words.
Cold-hearted, ruthless, and lover boy.
That's what I'm talking about, baby.
Yeah.
Pala eh. How about you, Ren?
Extraordinary, for sure. Sunshine and heart.
Ooh.
Yeah.
Eh, paano naman si Kaiser Lamperouge?
Madaldal. Pogi. Charismatic.
Oh, yeah.
Well, si Nico Jace, ano siya? CLB. Certified Lover Boy.
Oh.
That one answer.
That's one answer na. That's 3 words, 3 words. Okay, let's keep the
Agree,
pace.
agree.
Okay, Sarah Jo, how about you? 3 words. Di naliligo?
Wait, where did that joke come from, honestly?
I started.
Why did I
Just
start
now
hearing
because
it?
it like ngayon lang kasi like nagulat ako may GC na like guys like I'm literally still in bed. Ganon. That's where it came from. Okay. Anyway, si Ame sa pinaka maangas, pinaka pogi,
Yay! Agree.
pinaka tiga.
Naglaro na si bossing, oh. Naglaro na siya muna.
Yosu, ikaw naman.
Ako, parang ganun din yung katulad sa'yo. Jaime, certified lover boy talaga.
CLB ka din.
A
Literal.
lover boy. Certified
Lover
playboy
boy
ka.
Oh, playboy.
Certified playboy.
Feeling sa'yo eh.
CLB, pero ang dami-dami mong babae.
Kaya CFP.
Oo, dami.
Ikaw naman, Aliyah.
Wait, did he answer this one?
Now we're gonna go to Aliyah, then Dan.
this one?
We're gonna go to Aliyah, then Dan.
This one.
That one?
one?
That?
That one?
Did it answer? Okay, sige. So, thank you for the gifts, Iki. Okay, so for my character, I would say overall, I would say 3 words, misunderstood, guarded, and deep.
Ay, wow. I love it.
I like
I love it.
Why are you guys doing such serious words?
Oo nga. Akala ko fun lang to.
So, I was
Oo nga eh.
like, pinakamaangas.
Oh, sige. No, ito na yung pinaka-unserious eh. Ito na yung...
Oh, Dan. Serious answer.
Change it up.
No, serious.
akin, humble,
Humble.
rounded,
Humble?
and caring.
Wow.
Come on, man.
Humble.
Do you want to
May
say...
tanong ako sa'yo, Dan. 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 May tanong ako sa'yo, Dan.
Okay, ano?
Binasa mo ba yung libro?
Lagot ka kay Joseph.
Ay!
Ay, binato ka yan.
So, meron dito hindi nagbasa ng libro?
Ay,
Anong ginagawa mo? 1, 2, 3, 5, babasa.
Dapat pala may pa-quiz, no? Para malaman kung sino yung mga hindi nagbasa ng libro.
Guys, wait, I think we have a lot of international viewers here as well, so let's
La,
try our best.
English!
English!
I'm out
English.
now.
Let's try our best to, yeah.
We have international viewers!
Okay, for our international viewers, we have a fun question for you guys. Actually, this is a fun question for the cast. So tingin nyo, who do you think from the cast ang pinaka makulit?
Oh, alam na kagad.
Ay, katabi mo.
Sagot tayo
We
at
all
the
know
same
the
time.
answer.
Same time.
Okay.
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 Let's let the chat comment also.
Okay,
What are your guesses? Who do you think's the most makulit sa set?
And then let's answer at the count of 3.
Alright.
Okay?
Alright.
Okay.
Okay. 3, 2, 1.
1.
Joseph!
Jaime!
Jaime.
What? Why Joseph? I mean,
It's Joseph. Alam na wala si Ren.
Joseph, si Jaime yun.
Si Jaime yun.
Wala
si
na
Jaime
iba.
yun. Si Jaime.
Okay.
Jaime Iliana Diplomacy.
Bakit Jaime?
Don't
I
ask
like-
why.
you?
Like, I feel like there is no reason why. You're just so annoying.
Kung
You just-
makulit na annoying, that's a big job.
Siya talaga yung
That's
siya
very
talaga yung source of
straightforward.
energy.
Hi, Andy.
It's very straightforward.
Well, kami ni Frost, sagot namin Joseph. Para sa akin kasi,
Wait, Joseph agrees that you're annoying. I'm sorry.
Joseph?
Yeah, he said very straightforward. Ah.
It's okay.
Sarah, is that true?
Uy, Jaime, wag ka magtampo mo. Asan kayo? Ba't kayo magkasama?
Hold on. Mag-live-in kasi yan. Yung dalawa na yan eh.
Diva Studio.
Sana all.
Diva Studio.
Ano daw?
All right, next question. Easy question. Barilan o lambingan?
Barilan.
Or lambingan.
Barilan na lang, guys.
Wait, sabi ba ni Joseph barilan?
Barilan. Kasi nauuwi naman yung yung barilan sa lambingan after. So,
Barilan muna, tapos lambingan.
okay yung ganun.
Pero yung tanong, may nagbibigay ba ng lambing?
That's a very good question.
Yeah.
Dan Aquino, what do you
Ren, barilan o lambingan?
Tama naman yung sagot nyo eh. Sige, barilan na lang. Tapos barilan tapos lambingan after. Ganon. Kasi nakakapagod yung barilan, diba? I mean, sa fight scenes pa nga lang dati, nakakapagod din.
Baguhin ko na lang yung
Paano?
question.
I have a question. Paano maglalambingan after kung patay na yung binaril mo?
Good question.
Yes?
Like, patay na siya. Patay na.
Oh, I
Binaril eh.
know the answer. I know the answer.
Oh, what's the answer?
So you kill that person first and then you lambing someone else.
What?
Parang
No!
I mean, yeah, technically you do that.
Realistically, I'm right. Realistically.
Alabo kasi no question.
Tama
Okay,
kasi.
ganito na lang.
I'm fine. Which is more important to you guys? Let's say you can only choose one.
Obviously, barilan.
Lambingan kasi spread love.
Lambingan! Yeah.
Spread love.
lambingan.
Okay. Ganito na lang. Lambingan ni Joseph or lambingan ni Jaime?
Joseph.
Pwede.
Kahit barilan ni Joseph, pipiliin ko yan.
Not me.
Oh, hindi, lambingan mo, barilan ni Joseph.
Why do I have Well, okay.
Ayun na nga.
If that's it, then I have a follow-up question for that. Magmahal or makipaglaban?
Ano yung mas mahirap?
Ano?
Magmahal or makipaglaban?
Wait, I have a question
I
though.
feel like there's an obvious answer to that.
Wait, no, I have a question. What do you mean by makipaglaban? What does that mean?
Fight. To fight.
What?
Love
Wait,
Like who though?
the question is what's harder?
Depends.
Yeah, which is harder?
Like,
To love or to fight for love?
Oh, to fight.
Si Joseph daw yung sasagot, guys.
depends kunyari minamahal mo, toxic. Mahirap yun.
Ah.
Yung pinaglalaban mo
tama.
naman, mahal mo talaga, madali yun.
Yeah!
Grabe, parang may experience si Joseph Marco.
Then,
Yan, ayun talaga.
Parang ano yan ah.
Bakit may kasama tayong kabayo sa baba?
So,
Ay, si Nemo.
Daner Kyosu, magmahal or makipaglaban?
Magmahal. Magmahal.
Mas mahirap magmahal.
Yeah, mas mahirap magmahal.
I'd say makipaglaban yung mas mahirap. Hindi naman sa impossible. I feel like, tama lang sinabi ni Joseph, pag tama naman yung English na lang.
Naglalaban mo.
If you love the right person, it should be smooth flowing. Now, fighting for it, that's like a prerequisite to loving. I think fighting for it is what makes loving easier.
Yep.
Yeah.
Alright.
Yeah.
How about you, Aliyah? Do you have something to say about that?
Yes, I do have something to say about that. I think,
Actually.
well, actually, according to my scientific calculations. Okay, wait. Hold on. Okay, so, I think, makipagmahal? Magmahal?
Makipaglaban.
Tama.
Yeah. Okay. I feel like both are hard to do, pero makipaglaban, I would say would be the hardest thing to do, but then you always do the hard things for someone you love. So
Agree. Totally agree.
clock it.
Play.
Play.
You ate.
I ate.
Anyway, okay. Final question kasi si Frost naaantok na eh.
No, that's not true.
So, do you Tagalog eh. May eksena ba na hindi niyo mapigilan tumawa memorable moment mo sa set? So, sa set. Question.
Shucks, ang dami.
Elia, let's go.
I forgot what part it was where we were shooting, but I remember he was there, and then Dan was like, "What?" And like, oh my god.
What? Ano yun?
We were in the classroom and we were like sitting around it, like we were sitting around.
What? The
Spoiler,
Kay Roswell, multimillionaire?
This
And
was
then Dan
before
was
we
like,
were going to Roswell Corp.
Yeah.
Ah, yeah.
Wait. That's episode 3.
Yeah, before we go make sugod kay Roswell.
What? Dan, pasample nga ng what?
Alright.
Ayusin mo, Dan.
It's like
What?
you're barking. What? Ezekiel
Kaya
Roswell?
ako may answer ako dun. Yung may scene si Amy tsaka si PJ tsaka si RJ. Tapos pinaghahampas ni Amy sila.
Tapos sumayaw sila.
Oo, sabayo sila dun sa ringtone. Nakunta ako dun. Pinanood ko yun sa director's kit.
Directors!
Aliyah?
Are you alright? I think Aliyah has disease.
Oo nga, may zoomy si Aliyah eh.
Oh, ito. Anong pinaka-memorable moment sa set?
Kyosu.
Yung iba
Wala,
dyan.
pass muna ako. Wala akong maisip eh.
Ay, sige. Sarah Jo.
Muna na siya, Pat.
I'll go. Okay, I'm gonna take off the filter because I'm gonna be serious for this one. Okay, so my most memorable scene on set, Miss Renescanio.
Oh, yeah.
And such a sobrang memorable siya para sa akin kasi imagine mga kasama ko puro mga like the Miss Aramina, the Sir Joseph Marco, and the Miss Renescanio.
Marco.
Tapos I had to like sobrang kinakabahan ako kasi mafia boss na yun eh. Tapos kailangan ko siyang barahin na Amy Romero ka ba? Grabe yung nerves ko on the inside pero outside I had to be like Amazona, di ba? Amazil. But on the inside I was so kinakabahan. Tapos ang funny ni Miss Ara and ni Ate Ren. Sobrang funny nila. And ayun lang, super memorable
Yeah,
siya.
and I remember parang pagod ka pa that day, no? Pero as in, nabigay mo yung scene kasi galing ka pa sa ibang taping.
Yeah, kasi it was on the same day. Taping siya ng Balik Eskwela, the
Yeah.
episode I did with Ashtin. And then, they pulled me out for 1 hour para mag-shoot ng scene na yun sa Antipolo, which is like an
Yeah.
hour away. So, I did my scenes in QC, traveled to Antipolo to do that scene, and then went back to finish my scenes for Balik Eskwela. But it was so much fun.
Yeah, that's crazy. Okay,
Karen,
Frost.
you killed that scene. I'm so proud of you.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
That was
Yeah.
amazing.
Yeah, that's crazy.
Thank you.
That's crazy.
Yeah, that was a highlight of your
Yeah.
character. I really felt Amasil in that scene.
Yeah.
Thank
Very
you.
good portrayal.
For sure, for sure.
Good job, Sarah.
Oh my gosh.
What was that?
What
Hold on. Yo, what was that?
Hold on.
Okay.
This is why you get
Yo,
banned.
what is that?
Kaya maban ka sa TikTok.
Alright, Flo.
Shoutout na kayo, 700 likes na tayo.
Yeah!
700K! 2
Guys,
million
keep tapping
likes.
the screen.
Crush reveal si Frost Sandova.
Guys, pag 1M like, sasayaw kami ni Jaime ng Get You.
Oh, pwede.
Get you?
Pwede. 1 million
Let's get me.
Come get me. Get me.
Ay,
Iba
Get Me
tayo.
pala. Get
Pwede.
Me.
Naiba na. Giget niya kasi yung crush niya.
Get me?
Wait, what?
Ah.
Wait, what? That's crazy.
Na-choppy.
Anyway, Frost, do you want to answer the question?
Memorable.
Yeah, pinaka-memorable.
As of right, alam mo, yung memorable moment for me was... Ito yung, hindi naman sa ito lang pero yun kasi yung unang pumasok sa isip ko. Yung... Spoiler kasi Spoiler.
Wala pa, hindi pa nalalabas.
Yeah, episode 3 kasi siya. Pero andun yung memorable moment ko. Parang ad-lib ata yun. Na if you
Give the
guys
gist of it na lang.
if you guys read the book, this is where Joseph's character Ezekiel is really hungry. And
Oh, shit.
Oh, yeah.
yun ang
I
mabibigay ko.
remember.
And
I
there was a scene
remember.
where Direk added na Joseph, I think it's better if you gawin mo to sa kanya. Tapos ginawa niya. And it ended up being a really funny scene. I mean, it became even funnier. So, makikita niyan sa episode 3. Episode 3 ata yun, no? I think that was 3.
I think so. 3 or 4.
I think so. That means it's real.
That means it's, that's me 3.
Yeah. All right. I'll make this short and sweet. So guys, there was one time I had a taping and then I was so hungry. It was lunchtime and then me and Frost we wanted to order. So I ordered a burger and I was on call for like four straight hours. So when it was like 11 p.m., all of a sudden I was like, "Wait, where's everyone going? They're going home, but I'm still on call." Okay. Then I finished taping, so I went back to end my burger, my truffle burger, and then I asked the group chat, guys, who ate my burger and truffle? And then no one said anything. So that's
Okay,
my most
anyway,
memorable moment on set.
so
Kyosu didn't answer yet.
So sweet. I feel so bad for you. Hoo.
Oh.
can you give our viewers isang I captain? 3, 2, 1.
I, Captain.
I think I fell in love.
Yay! Also, guys, a reminder lang that please,
Oh my God, mag-1M na.
oh my God, ang lapit na tayo sa 1 million, guys. Sige, keep tapping.
Sumayaw, guys.
A reminder
May sasayaw,
Guys,
Mukhang
keep
may
tapping.
sasayaw.
Yeah, sure, dance.
Nasayaw na ng ano, get you.
Get you.
Nabago na. Nabago na.
Oh my God, ang bilis! Ay, hala, ayan na. Wala na, 1M.
Amy.
Feel ko in 10 seconds, 1 na.
Magda-dance ba kayo?
Magandang gabi, Jaime.
Yosu, puro pakit na nga eh. Yosu,
Pakit lang eh. Oo nga
Oh my God, wala na. Okay, guys.
favorite moment, Kyosu?
Okay, sasayaw na sila, 1 million.
Okay,
One
sayo na kayo.
million
Sayo na
likes.
kayo.
1 na.
Oh my God, 12,000 likes in 1
Alright,
second.
fine.
Okay.
Hold on.
Are we done?
Music.
Yeah, okay.
Music.
Hold on.
Are we dancing? I'm gonna join the dance.
No.
Why?
Huwag ka na sumama.
Hold on.
Stop talking. Can someone mute this guy to my left? Someone mute this guy.
Tama ka na, Kambal. Tama na.
Only if Kuya Kevin says hi muna.
Yeah, only if Kuya Kevin comes here. But we still have a game to play, but I think Joseph and Ren na lang muna, no?
Lo, ang
Because we're
daya!
in a time crunch eh. We're in a time crunch.
Kaya hindi pa tayo tapos dun sa memorable moments. Hindi pa sinasabi ni Amy yung kanya.
Yeah, si Amy and Kyosu, hindi pa sila nakakaano.
Sige ako. Ako kasi, spoiler yun sa akin eh. Like, episode. So, basta,
God.
nasa bar scene yun, which is yung kay Nico na scene. And then, parang may inad si Direk doon. And yun yung parang memorable sa akin. Basta guys, watch nyo lang guys. Abangan nyo sa next episode.
Yeah.
Happy 1M.
Yes,
Yes.
happy 1M.
Thank you guys.
request.
And then
Ito, nasa 850 times na siya.
Oh yeah, someone's requesting Joseph Marco
Isang
to
boy
do.
babae.
Mhm.
Ahoy, babae.
Okay, 3, 2, 1.
Hoy, babae.
Nice.
Babae lang narinig ko.
Naputol nga siya.
Oh, putol.
Surprise, surprise,
Ulitin. 3, 2, 1.
Hoy, babae.
Nice.
Yan.
Isang what the?
What the?
Flip.
Guys, bawal yun.
What na lang, what na?
Nakakatawa yung mukha ni
What the
Kuya
frick?
Kevin.
Si
Biglang
Momo talaga.
nalumit.
Kahit ano sinasabi.
Siyempre meron tayong ano dito.
Sabi mo,
natin yung memorable
What the
moments.
fudge na lang.
what the duck?
Para
Tapusin na
meron
natin
pa
yung
yata
memorable moments.
nakakapag-answer ng question.
Ay,
Gusto niyo
okay.
talaga malaman yung memorable moment, no? Sige na nga. Spoiler kasi, siguro mga nasa episode 15 pa lang siya. And ito yung pinaka-iconic scene sa buong book. Na ever since bago tayo mag-start ng taping, ito talaga yung pinaka-iniisip ko sa lahat kasi kailangan namin siya magawa ng tama. So, shoot namin last taping yung lalaki sa buong mundo. Mahal pa rin kita, Zeke. O yan.
Oh my God.
Mahal lalaki sa buong mundo. So, kinuna namin yung scene na yon. And, tapos,
a really long scene.
tapos, kailangan yung abangan yung kissing scene. That's the most memorable.
What kissing scene?
Basta abangan nyo na lang. Yeah.
Bars high.
What kissing scene?
Back up, buddy. Back up. You're way too close right now. You're way too close.
Agree ka ba doon, Joseph?
Yeah, I agree. And kasi di ba sa isang project na ginagawa mo, merong pinakamataas na emotions. And I think nung nabasa ko yung libro, sobrang anxious ako sa eksena na to na parang sabi ko, paano kaya namin ipupull off to? And ever since, bago pa man tayo nag-start, nag-cast reveal, nasa utak ko na yun. That's why nung nabasa ko yun, yeah, it's so nice na very open si Direk to collaborate with the scene kasi yung mga naisip tayong ideas na ilagay doon kasi yung nasa script natin iba eh. Pero iba
Yeah.
So we made sure na, matugma yun sa book. And yeah, it's parang I just felt so victorious after.
Wow.
Paano yung Victoria?
Na parang, alam mo, parang okay.
Yeah.
Pwede na medyo mag-chill na ako because I've done the work.
You pulled the hardest part off.
Yeah, oo. Mm-mm. Kasi parang parang kapag hindi namin nagawa yun well, parang
I'm so curious what scene that was.
That was it. Nung nalaman ni Amy na mafia boss si Zeke.
yeah.
Very crucial yan. Very important. Actually, if I remember correctly, back-to-back na important scenes yan eh. Kasi it's not just it's not just him revealing that information, but it's also that ayun nga, that intimate moment that you guys have. And doing that back-to-back is no easy feat.
Yeah.
So, shout out to you guys na kinain niyo yung 6 hours.
6 hours.
I feel like dun,
Hours.
first time na nagpakita ni Zeke ng emotions.
Yes.
Parang first time. Na nagpakita ng emotions sa ibang tao.
Yeah.
Sure. Kaya dahil dyan, guys, 1.3M. Para sa inyo yan. Para sa
Ayan
inyo.
na. Ayan na.
Buo yan, ha?
NFT!
May production number sila. Ang taray.
What was the first move?
Si Aliyah dapat yan.
I forgot Aliyah's part. Ayun lang. I hope that was maybe one point. Salamat
Nice.
Well, what do you think of our dancing, Joseph?
Okay, yeah.
Speechless. He's speechless. I lost my script. Can you? Where are we? Oh, Hello V Barkada, My Husband is a Mafia Boss official soundtrack. It's now available on all digital streaming platforms. Let's go!
Oh.
What's the song?
Raya
What's the songs?
Forget
What are
Me?
the songs?
Get Me by Raya, Rob Daniels' Star Song, and Ken Anaya's Sana Walang Magbago.
I love it.
Ini soundtrack, kaya make sure to stream and use those songs for your TikTok edits, you guys.
Lahat ng TikTok edits. Na nandun si Joseph Marco, na nandun si Rennes Canyon, na nandun si Kyosu, na nandun si Dan, na nandun si Aliyah, na nandun si Sarah, na nandun si Frost, na nandun si Jaime Eliana. Put those songs on your TikTok edits.
Yan. And let us know what are your favorite tracks from the My Husband's a Mafia Boss official soundtrack. We would love to hear it. Kaya ayun, i-stream nyo na lahat yan, guys. We have they're all available, no? I've actually checked it out myself. And they're all very catchy. I'm telling you guys.
Yeah, I'm a big fan of Ryan.
Wait, guys, there's a request in chat. Someone is sending a lot of gifts saying, Joseph Marco, give us isang I love you so much wife.
Oh my god.
1, 2, 3.
I love you so much, wife.
Ba't ikaw yung kinilig kambal? Nico, wag ka mag-share.
Anyway, I think we have time for one round of the game. So
Let's
the
do
team.
one round. Let's do one round.
Let's explain the game though.
Nakamute ka, Kuya Kevin.
What was that?
Yes, one round tayo ng game.
Yeah, one round of Joseph and Ren. So basically what we're doing is make the face, you do the sound. So Joseph will go first. He's going to see Ren's sound. So Ren, you're going to make a sound.
You're gonna make a face, rather.
Ano?
Who's making the sound?
So, someone's gonna make a face. Someone's gonna make a face na kunwari. And the next person has to like that. They have to recreate the sound that face makes. Example. I'm gonna do that face again now. Go.
Okay, tas ako yung maggagawa ng sound.
Yeah, okay, game. 1, 2, 3, go.
Bogey Bros! Ayan, diba?
Okay,
Oh my God, wait lang, ano to? Like any?
Yeah,
Any.
So I think Joseph should start with the face. I think he has the face to start it off.
Wow.
So Joseph, would you like to show us what is your face?
It's your face.
Tapos hulaan ko kung ano yung sound, tama?
Yes.
Okay.
Anong babagay dun sa face na ginawa
Pag
niya?
idadub mo yung...
Yeah. Oh, dubbing, tama.
Alright.
Game?
Good.
Game.
Ano ba yan? Isda?
Maganda sana sabay. Ginagawa ni Joseph Marco.
Yeah. Dapat
With the
ginagawa
sound
ni
of...
Joseph.
Okay, 1,
game.
2...
Hindi ko alam.
Okay, other way around this time. Other way around. Ren makes the face, Joseph makes the sound. Let's go.
Yes.
Ano ba? Lagi ginagawa ni Amy yun.
Oh my God!
Wala ang random, guys. Hindi ko alam.
And then last round, Kuya Kevin and Dan Aquino.
Yeah, Kevin and
Dan.
Game.
Kevin and Dan.
Yosu, ayoko.
Make face.
Ayoko. Idea lang ako, guys.
Sige si Aliyah and Dan na lang. Aliyah and Dan. One round.
Yan, Dan.
Yeah,
Virgin,
sound
Virgin.
ko.
Who makes the face first?
Sino?
I'll make the face first.
Okay.
Okay.
Galing mo Dan, ah.
Tapos sabay mo ako. Sabay mo na yung
Ikaw muna,
sound.
patingin mo na yung face mo.
Sige.
Okay.
What?
What?
Sabi kita. Game. 3,
Pogi ni Jaime.
2,
Wait lang.
1.
Go.
Go.
Go, Aliyah, go.
You have to make the face so that he does the sound.
Okay, go. Dan, make a face. Make a face.
Other way around.
Ano?
One more.
One more.
Why are you making
Iba yun.
Okay, wait.
Wala
Ka mag-sound, Dan.
Wala kang sound, Dan. Okay. Ano ba? Isa pa? One more. Ito pa. Isa pa naglalag.
Inulit-ulit niyo ako.
Naglag, pre.
Isa pa.
Game, Aliyah.
Game.
Go.
That's actually pretty good. Bumagay.
Pwede.
How about Jaime and Dios?
Guys, may nagre-request.
How about Frost and Sarah naman?
Frost and Shana.
Yes, Frosa.
Ay, wait.
Wait, may nagre-request.
May nag-request daw po from Ren. Mahal din kita, Zeke. Top comment.
Go.
Sige.
3, 2, 1, go.
Mahal din kita, Zeke.
Ay,
Parang red na yun, ah.
Gusto ko,
Parang red na.
magkasunod nilang sasabihin.
Parang di na Amy.
Na, kunyari, tignan nyo yung isa't isa. Tignan nyo yung isa't isa.
Ayun.
Ang hirap naman.
Joseph, you have to say, I love you, wife. And then Ren has to answer with mahal din kita, Zeke.
Mahal din kita,
Right?
Tignan nyo yung isa't isa.
Wait lang.
Look at each other.
Wait, guys.
Ganyan kayo, oh.
Before you do it. Okay, ready.
Okay, wait.
Okay.
Yan.
Bakit may clapper? Oh my God.
Actors on set.
Ready? Okay, rolling. 3, 2, 1, and action.
I love you, wife.
Mahal din kita, Zeke.
Parang red na yun.
Cut. Bad take. Take two.
Walang audio.
Walang audio. Weng. Yeah. Ano, take two.
Take two.
Insan naman. Sabi mo, insan naman.
1, rolling, and...
Ulit nga.
Ulit.
Sige, this time with feelings, Yusef,
Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1, and action.
I love you, wife.
Mahal din kita, Zeke.
Ba't parang pilit yung ano mo, yung palakpak mo?
Tatawa ako.
Good take.
Oh, Jaime, huwag kang umiyak.
Ay, may parang hindi ganyan yung palakpak mo kanina.
Nag-relapse, ala.
Kahit saan.
Kaya gusto niyo ba, Kaiser naman and Amitil?
Oo, Kaiser.
Ay, oo nga,
Kaiser and Amitil naman. Wala na ako na. Lunch break.
Lunch break.
Guys,
Hanggang 7 p.m. lang kasi yung live natin. Thank you so much, everybody who joined us.
Hindi, kaya pa daw mo.
Guys, wait lang, may promo plug pa tayo. Hold on. Give me one more spiel. Hello, V Vercada. My husband is a mafia boss. Oh wait, I read that already. Closing. And that concludes our My Husband is a Mafia Boss TikTok live. We hope na nag-enjoy kayo tonight sa ating kwentuhan at tawanan. Sa mga hindi pa nakakanood, stream My Husband is a Mafia Boss on Vivo One. And make sure, share nyo na rin sa friends nyo, family nyo. Thank you guys and see you next TikTok live.
Guys, promote yung episode 3.
Oh, yeah.
Kailan ba? Let's all say it.
Saturday.
every
Yes.
Saturday, 12 a.m.
Saturday or Saturday.
Sana sana
Amy.
sabay-sabay natin panoorin every 12 midnight para mas, alam niyo yun, mas masaya. Para mas masaya, challenging yung tipong ano.
If you guys have a Twitter account, sali kayo sa Twitter party. Magsaya
Oh, yeah,
tayo sa
yeah,
Twitter. Abangan natin ang mga hashtag na gagamitin.
Yes.
Oh my God. Yeah, thank you so much guys for joining us.
Screenshot lang
Picture.
ako. Pwede yung Ren and Joseph ganito kayo. Wala lang.
Paano?
Seth,
Oh.
there you go.
Yan!
Pantay
Perfect.
mo. Yan.
One. Ito ako kasama. Hold on. 1, 2, 3.
Oh, wait.
Tayo.
Okay, wait.
Okay na.
Screenshot in 3, 2, 1.
Alright.
3, 2, 1.
And,
Sarah, back to back.
oh, you know.
Bye guys. End ko na yung live. Thank you guys.
Thank
Wait,
you so much.
Wait! Ba't ka desisyon?
Okay na po tayo.
Bye-bye. Thank you
Next
so
time
much
na
for
ulit tayo.
1.5 million likes, everybody.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Okay, bye-bye.
2 million likes.